have any component therapy as cardiologists have for treatment of acute heart failure, acute myocardial infarction? I think Rajesh has right. Hope we are fine. I think we should have hope. Currently, we are using chemicals and antibodies like biological to treat, to manage the acute kidney injury apart from dialysis. Is there any role for cell therapy in the issue? It has likely addressed various issues of intrinsic cells versus extrinsic cells repairing the kidney. There is a controversy whether extrinsic cells directly contribute to the regeneration of the kidney cells or not. Because actually a lot of people have shown that actually a lot of cells can form in and repair the kidney one angle. But other groups have proven that actually none of these cells in extrinsically basic cells can form in there by using various animal models and labeling the cells. As they describe, bone marrow cells were labeled with some GFP or some color and they trace it in acute kidney injury models and mice models. They failed to show that actually these cells, in fact, are not able to form in and repair the kidney injury. But as you correctly put it, actually they have various immunomodulatory effects. Like there is a lot of cytokines which will help the intrinsic cell to repair themselves so that actually acute kidney injury recovers. But with these two formats, actually there is definitely hope in using these therapies because we don't have anything to do with these patients, just hope. Because we are just dialyzing them and hoping that actually the system will take care of itself. Apart from that, we have manage acute treatment. In these comments, I open the case, open the presentation for this.
Actually, so far I used to discuss this AKA is acute necrosis injury due to ischemic loss of cells. Then what happens is the new cells will coordinate, regenerate, then rearrangement and reconstitution. But here Rajesh has told that something wrong with the stem cells. The cells, the information from the various or from outside, from one stem cell will migrate, that is not to the circulation. From there this during the kidney is modulated. So very good extensively discussed very closely with the body.
So we believe that the specialized cells are the generally circulating in the circulation and they go into the interstitial area and they acquire the markers. So how are you detecting stem cells or mesenchymal cells by labeling them with the marker?
Exactly.
So generally a lot of infiltrated cells go in the interstitial. Do you believe that actually these cells can acquire some markers and they behave as mesenchymal stem cells? That's one question. Because it's very difficult to say whether it's a fibroblast or mesenchymal stem cell or an inflammatory cell. So what happens if you are doing is we are labeling them with these other markers. So any cell can acquire these markers because of the inflammatory milieu that the interstitial has. Because you have a pro-fibrotic inflammatory milieu, they acquire fibroblastic markers. Because you have a milieu which will enhance the recovery, they have a mesenchymal stem cells. What's your comment on that?
Yeah, issues are actually too many. If you go into the details, it's like really controversial. What I would like to say here is that probably the studies, the mouse models have shown that once you tag the mesenchymal stem system iron oxide and then produce a data and see what's happening and do an MR and see what's happening in cells. They found that most of the cells form to the by MR region, this is the iron, you can see that most of the stem cells form to the that's how one of the your second question as to can it be the other cells which get into the bloodstream and slightly difficult to answer. Probably it's difficult to answer, still controversial. But I think it's reasonable to conclude that since studies have shown specific dyes and markers that these cells really home to the site of the information. Probably we should believe that the mesenchymal cells come from circulation which can be changed. The other issue here is that see when you say that there is inflammation in AK, there are inflammation other sites also. Patient is septic, patient has inflammation other sites. These are all unresolved issues as to what to do. Because AK is not a pure AK, patient will have inflammation other sites also. These are all European Union.
I have a question to you. Unfortunately, if you see the research in nephrology is much less in any area, let alone on stem cells. You see the amount of literature and the amount of the publications which are coming in cardiology or other areas, you see they are much progress. You have quoted very few trials on EK. We are nowhere. There are a lot of controversies. There are so many things which are not clear. It is probably an issue of funding as regards to specialty. That's the issue because there is not much money in AKI.
First study actually they have shown that they have compared the radical activity of patients before cisplatin, of mice before cisplatin and after cisplatin. And then the three groups, number of groups, cisplatin group, cisplatin plus stem cell group. So number one obviously USO. The cisplatin group is like urea for negative radical activity. And the stem cell group is simply minus. And the similar observation was seen in histology also. It's correlated with histology also.
I think the words of hope, hope that we lost this was some sort of trauma-like therapy for acute renal failure with this newer emerging stem cells. Close the session. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. May I request Professor Tam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. May I request Dr. Srilata to present a memento to Dr. Tamilarasi and to Dr. Ganadhan. Thank you, madam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again. Raj, Dr. Binoy, Dr. Tushara, Dr. Jayaprakash, and Dr. Vipanshu. Team E, Dr. Teams. This is a ball going out to the Team D. Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Swaraj, Dr. Binoy, Dr. Tushara,
be other to the first question. The first question is, what is your diagnosis? Pass, you will get
15 seconds left.
there is no negative marking, you can go ahead. Okay, in B. What is that? No, DMC.
DMSA Harshit.
No, TP. Yes, TP is correct. It is patent process analysis in a patient of CAPD. Finally, the patient has to undergo surgery to remove this patent process vaginalis so that he could continue on CAPD.
So we are going to start the quiz program. The quiz master is Dr. Ram. He is associate professor from Sri.
Yes, without much ado, we will start the quiz. We may run out of time, that's why we will reserve the introductions to the end of the quiz. Okay? The rules for each of these rounds are different. I will say at the beginning of the rounds. Are you comfortable? These things are obstructing your view. So, yes. Scorer is my friend Swarna, and she is going to give you the scores at the end of each round. The first round is for the team A, the second round starts with the team B, third round with team C, fourth with the team D, and fifth with team E. And one common rule that runs through the quiz is that the quiz master's decision is final. Not much discussion will be encouraged with the quiz master. Yes, at the end of every round, we will have a question for the audience also. Team B, what is your diagnosis?
You have 30 seconds to answer this question.
Go ahead, it's nothing, nothing is said, you are not going to lose anything.
5 seconds left.
Okay, team B.
Post transfer.
No, team E. Seems Santosh has an answer. Is it not sure? No, team A. Team A. No, it's wrong. The answer is it's a glucoperitoneal complication in a CVD division, and none of the answer, none of the teams would answer it. Yes. Okay. From here, I will give you the audience if teams have not answered. This is a glucoperitoneal complication in a CVD patient. What is your diagnosis?
15 seconds left.
Start, start kidney scarring.
Where are the kidneys there?
Area for scarring is there.
Okay, where is the scarring?
Scar kidney.
Okay, it goes to team D.
Team B, 15 seconds.
Team D.
Multicystic dysplastic kidney. Intra-uterine.
Okay, team E. What happened? Team B. ADB. No, team A. Huh? No, team B. It started with team C, so it ends with team E. Okay, then I will open it to the audience. Even from the audience can follow it. No, the peritoneum after the peritoneal scintigraphy. We published this from our institute. There's too many additions, but that guy was so close. He wrote about scar, but he couldn't say about the additions. No marks for EVT, and it's 4th question to the team D, 9th question to team D. What is your diagnosis?
Encapsulated.
Yes, correct. You get the encapsulating peritonitis. You get 20 marks for that. And the next direct question to team E. This is sclerosing encapsulating peritonitis, first reported by Dr. Ramesh Khanna. Out of 12 out of 17 patients died after 1 year of obstruction, due to obstruction. And the next question is to the team E. What is this condition called? I want specific answer. Please do not give an elaborate explanation. I want an answer. A specific answer which matches with my key. It's quite visible for me also. Emphysematous pyelonephritis. You got stuck with emphysematous pyelonephritis. I don't know. It's team A. I think I pointed out something. No, ma'am. There is a pointing somewhere. You just concentrate on the pointing. It's team B now. Team B. What is that? No, I can't give you team C. Concentrate. What is going wrong in there? There is no emphysema, there is no dural perforation, there is no air and gas. Huh? It started with team E, no? So it will come to team now. No, here is team B. Just look at the things what has happened. It's such a common thing we do. We see every time. Only thing is that I capture it in a radiograph. Who is this gentleman? This is for the audience. He is known for his famous work on hypertension. He did all his work on his favorite, on his spec.
None of the other things have reported. So other activities.
Graphs in this round. I request you to explain, interpret and explain the graph, and the explanation should match with the key. Usually I don't at the time you give an elaborate explanation which doesn't match with the key, and with the for every direct question you get 20 marks, pass you get 10 marks, and the time for the direct question is 30 seconds, and after passing is 15 seconds. The first question goes to team B in the second round. What is this metabolite, enzyme or substrate that is depicted in this graph? It is from an old physiology textbook. I grabbed this, but what is the metabolite? It could be a metabolite.
Team B.
Explain.
very low. From Carthage to Manila, the oxygen concentration is
Excellent. Well done. It is the oxygen. The graph depicts the PO2 of the oxygen, and there is a sharp graph in oxygenation, and also which kidney is affected.
This is for team C.
Team C, that is
Kilogram.
Yes.
Meaning the BTP renal taptopril.
Yes.
And the right kidney is affected.
Explain. I want you to explain us how you deduce that right kidney is affected.
After administration of captopril, GFR declined on right side.
Okay, where is the GFR? There is no mention of GFR here in that. Okay, I'll give you. You have come very close. I don't want to tease you. It is a renogram and right renal stenosis, standard renogram, produced captopril by the condition. A slew of changes have taken place in this patient. In this condition, I want you to identify the condition.
This is for team D. Correct.
Team D, directors.
Pregnancy.
Explain what happened.
The cardiac output has increased. Plasma volume has increased. GFR is by 30 weeks is increased and has reached a plateau.
Excellent. Well done. It's pregnancy. They are the hemodynamic and biochemical changes of the pregnancy. Which is almost similar to the explanation which I have. And this was first reported in the Scandinavian Journal, 1984, by Jane Davison. I have given you all data. Urine electrophoresis is the graphs. Also the diagnosis. The first two graphs is of nephrotic syndrome. The second one is of myeloma, third one is HI. I want you to name the condition, the physiological condition.
This is team E. The teams have played well in this round. I think we should compete with them.
I don't want the diagnosis. I have given the name of the graph also. I want you to explain the physiological condition, the pathophysiology behind this. Do you have any answer?
It's urine electrophoresis of the urine electrophoresis.
Okay.
Initially, nephrotic syndrome, there is actually increased albumin production. The others, two chains, actually myeloma, light chain is being.
Okay, that's anyway I have given it there. What is new? What is the new thought you have? I want the pathophysiology. There is a specific term for pathophysiology.
Selective and non-selective proteinuria.
Okay. Then, can you improve on it? Which is selective, which is non-selective?
In relation to transferrin ratio, how much percentage is
Well done. Agreed. The second part is there. Your job is
if it is less than 1?
No, forget about selective. You have answered it correct. What is the second part? Myeloma and HI.
Myeloma means it's non-selective type of proteinuria.
Team A. They have answered well. 10 marks they get. Nephrotic syndrome. It is selective and non-selective proteinuria. The second graph shows there is a slight increase in the transferrin. Is the graph serum creatinine versus weeks. Two events have taken place. No, 3 events have taken place. Based on the events, you give me the disease. Okay. Okay, can you improve on it? No, you get time. You have 30 seconds.
Within weeks, then it may be type 1. The death is rapid within
Type
weeks.
1 superimposing on a type 2. Refractory acid is causing type 2
Yes.
HRS.
It is renal syndrome. Type 2 is typically manifested refractory ascites. Okay, then round is over. This question is for the audience. Now, prevalence used to use in this map. It's a world map. It depicts prevalence of the disease. What is this disease? It's a worldwide prevalent disease. It's for audience, not for students. It's a prevalence of which disease? See, Indian prevalence of the disease. It's only from one state. Selected studies, so I gave you the KVA. I want you to identify all three panels individually and also give me the diagnosis, Team C, and given you the diagnosis of the description of the pathology. Spindle cells with flop nuclear absence of KVA. Description of the pathology. Give me the description of the individual condition, individual panels, and